Hello children, welcome to Little Bird English School. Today I am going to teach you subject EVS of standard 3rd, lesson number 7, saying without speaking, part 2. Me and my sister. Let's read. Small girl Chaku. She cannot hear. She is deaf by birth. Small girl name is Chaku. She cannot hear. वो सुन सकती नहीं है. She is deaf by birth. Okay. Her elder brother is Nandu. Nandu and Chakku play together. Chakku play the piano very well. She likes to feel the deep rumbling chords. But she will never be able to sing. She cannot hear the tune. She likes to leap, to tumble, to roll, to climb to the top of the monkey bars. Now, my sister has started going to school, although our mother still help her read at house. The teacher and children do not understand every word. She says, like sister or water or thumb. I wore my sunglasses yesterday. The frames were very large. The lenses are very black. My sister made me take them off when I spoke. What do my brown eyes say to her brown eyes? Okay. This is the poem of a person saying that how children are facing their disability. That small girl is deaf. She cannot hear by birth. She like to feel the deep rumbling chords, but she will never able to sing because she cannot hear the tune. Okay, so the poem describe about the children what they are facing disability, that they cannot, some like Chaku, she cannot hear, she is deaf by birth. Okay, so you have to read this poem. Now turn the page. Our eyes tell us lot. बच्चों, हमारी आंखें बहुत कुछ बोल जाती है. Some children tell a lot through their face. बहुत सारे बच्चे हमको पता चल जाता है फेस से ही. ओके, एंड हैंड्स इवन बिफोर दे लर्न टू स्पीक. वो बोलना चाहते हैं, बोलते सीखते हैं, उससे पहले ही हमको उनके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन और उनके हैंड से पता चल जाता है. थ्रू जेस्चर्स एंड फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट अ चाइल्ड नीड टू speak, what a child wants to speak. They understood a lot. Okay, they understand a lot too. उनको पता भी चलता है. The face is a mirror. Face is what? A mirror. We can understand what the child wants to speak. Now think and tell. Observe children of all about 6 to 8 months. You have to observe the children who is about 6 to 8 months. How do they express themselves? वो तो बोलते हैं, उनको सीखना आता नहीं है. So how they will express themselves? Read and draw. You must be wondering that what kind faces these are. They have no eyes, no nose and no mouth. Observe the picture here and just see that here it is no eyes, no nose and no mouth. You have to make these. But on after reading, what is written alongside? Okay, this is Aftab. Who is this? Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broken. His toy has fallen down and broken. He is sad. वो क्या हो गया है? दुखी. How will his face look? उसका फेस कैसा लगेगा? Now, next picture. This is Julie. Who is this? Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday. उसकी छोटी सी बहन born हुई है yesterday. She is very excited. So वो बहुत खुश है. How will her face look? तो उसका चेहरा कैसे लगेगा? This is Rutwa's mother. Who is she? Rutwa's mother. Today, while Rutwa was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen. She was taking out the bottle of pickle. Pickle मतलब अचार. From the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. अचानक वो बॉटल गिर गई और वो पिकल की बॉटल टूट गई. Draw the look on her mother's face. So how mother will be reacting to Rutwa's? You have to draw it. That what will be the face of a mother. Now next, दिस इज रेहाना. हु इज शी? रेहाना. शी इज अफ्रेड ऑफ डॉग. उसको किससे डर लगती है? डॉग. While playing, suddenly a dog come in front of her. While she was playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. How will Rehana face look? So how Rehana face will be look? You have to draw it. Okay, children. Now turn the page. By looking at someone's face, we can tell if the person is happy, sad or angry. With looking at the face, we can tell if a person is happy, sad or angry. Has it ever happened that you have done some mischief and your mother found just looking at your face? कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ होगा कि तुमने कुछ मिस्chief की होगी, तुम मम्मी को बताओ उसके पहले मम्मी बोल देते होंगे by looking at your face that you have done something wrong. Okay, children, we can talk through dance as well. We can also talk through dance with the help of our gestures, hand. In dance, the hands and face used to convey feeling. With the help of hand and face, in dance, we can convey our feeling. These are called mudras and bows. Okay, they are called mudras and bows. Okay, look at the given figure and do these mudras. Learn some dance mudra and do them. Look at the figure. They are doing some mudras. Just do it and have a fun. Thank you. Have a nice day.